A lot of our photo opportunities are taken at events, whether that's sports events, art events, open days, and things like that. So we want to make sure that we are capturing the best photos possible, and especially when lighting may not be on our side. So today we're going to be showing you the do's and don'ts about taking a photo, and we're going to pick on our colleagues to show you this. What we don't want to do is we don't want to zoom. We don't want to zoom. We want atmosphere when it comes to taking our photos so that the photo is versatile. Already I can see the lighting is coming from behind Mike. So come with me and we'll show you how to improve it.
Oh, hi.
Hi, this is Mike.
And this is Molly.
Is Molly. And won't you look at that? Look at the lighting. It is even, it is on them, amazing. I love this portrait. I'm going to take one because we want variety. But when we go landscape and we take the photo, you have the atmosphere. Yes, it is a messy office, but that's okay. You can zoom in and it's portrait. It can be landscape. And that means you can post it to your Facebook, your Instagram, your website, your newsletters. Now we've got the atmosphere of everything going behind, but we also have the lighting, natural lighting coming in. So we know that the lighting of the photo is going to be a lot better. And you can see here, you're now capturing the atmosphere of everything that's going around the subject, so the student. But then also, in a way, if you were to go to this photo, it would be more versatile that you can use it on different platforms, because there we go, that's a perfect portrait photo that we'll be able to edit after taking it. Sometimes when natural lighting isn't on your side, whether it be nighttime or you're not near a window, this is ways of still getting the best photos for your situation. So right now you can see that the harsh light is coming down on Mike and Molly, so it doesn't photograph very well. You can see that there will be a shadow on his face, so you want to go somewhere with more soft light and nothing directly above. You can see when taking the photos, the lighting is a lot more even across the subjects, and even if you don't have that brightness from the natural light, we can show you how to really easily in Canva adjust the lighting a bit to make it look really great. So rule of thumb, try and take all of your photos with a lot of atmosphere and landscape, and at the same time it doesn't hurt to take a few portrait as well.